Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. Our client assigned a new task. This is the assignment of financial accounting. The title of the assignment is Shelly Cashman, Excel 365 2021 Vertical Bar Module 4, End of Module Project 1. Our client provided us with some file attachments you can see on your screen, with full instructions to understand the problem. This assignment is divided into multiple steps. To complete this assignment, follow these steps. Step 1, File Setup. Step 2, Loan Analysis. Step 3, Data Comparison. Step 4, Formatting. Step 5, Amortization Schedule. Step 6, Cleanup. Step 7, Retirement Projections. Step 8, Review and Submission. If you need our help, we provide two types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have, but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original.
To avail of our help on Shelly Cashman, Excel 365 2021 Vertical Bar, Module 4, End of Module, Project 1 assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 7309 655 268 or log in to our website helpandhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.